sigurong maging puno, no? Nakatayo pa lang sa labas, nagsasunbathing. Pag umuulan, sinasayawan mo lang, tapos mamaya may pagkain ka na. Pero ganun nga ba talaga kasimplang kanilang ginagawa? Tsaka, kailangan ba talaga tayo ng mga puno? O mas kailangan natin sila? Tara, samahan ninyo ako at ating tuklasin ang mahiwagang mundo ng mga halaman at puno. Hey there! This is not your ordinary cinematic video reels on Facebook or YouTube, but this is something more interesting than that. Today, I will help you get to know deeper our plants and trees, particularly this very special process.
Photosynthesis. Elementary pa lang ay tinuturo na sa atin ito. Pero sapat na ba ang ating kaalaman tungkol dito?
Well, this is a usual misconception because photosynthesis is being introduced to us as a food-making process only by plants. But actually, this is also done by all algae, microscopic diatoms, and some types of bacteria. But for now, let's focus on photosynthesis in our plants and trees.
As you already know, this process primarily takes place inside the plant leaf, but photosynthesis also happens at the stem in smaller amounts, especially the green ones. If we try to look inside, we can see the plant cells. Each cell contains this structure called chloroplast, where the chlorophyll is located. This chlorophyll functions like our solar panels at home that captures light energy from the sun. In chloroplast, the thylakoids are embedded, and the thylakoid membrane is where it all starts.
In order for photosynthesis to happen, plants need the raw materials carbon dioxide and water with the help of sunlight to produce their food, glucose, and our basic need, oxygen. Let's first take a look at the role of the sun. Assuming I am the electrons here, the first thing to get me working is through the energy in the form of sunlight being absorbed by the pigment from the chlorophyll. This will then get me excited as I get ejected to the stair-like structure called electron transport chain. As I jump and jump and jump from here, the energy I release will help make the ATP and NADPH, which will soon be used to form the glucose.
So sa sinag ng araw pala nang gagaling ang enerhiya. Pero teka lang, paano yan? Di magkakaubusan ng electrons. Saan kukuha ang halaman ng maraming electrons?
This will now explain why water is needed in this process. Water is splits into protons, electrons, and oxygen gas. Thus, aside from it replenishes the loss of the electrons, it also supplies us the oxygen that we breathe. These products formed will combine with carbon dioxide to form the glucose that serves as the food of the plant.
Kung titignan ng equation na yan, may nakikita ba kayong role ng tao dyan? Sa tao, may halaga ba ito?
There's a popular Chinese proverb that says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So what are you waiting for?